Nope, I'm recording. This is 6 seconds left until halftime. And I ran it all the way.
That's what you call it?
Yeah, that's what I call it. What's am I supposed to call it?
Oh,
Oh my gosh!
I think I passed it.
I think you did too, because they were in the second half. Can I do it? Can you tape, please? There you go. Why are you fast forwarding now? Are you retarded? I'm playing it first.
Huh?
I don't care.
Pictures.
Yeah, pictures.
Where at?
Start. Look, we're leaving as soon as I get the picture done. I don't even want to go.
This thing's making me mad.
I don't feel like getting rid of it.
That was halftime.
Here it is.
It?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm trying to tape it, but I couldn't find it.